Join us as we take a deep dive into the top 5 train sets. We are going to cover everything you need to know. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. The first product we are going to cover is the Mexican Train Domino Set. Great for on-the-go fun, this set of double 12 dominoes comes in a sleek, stylish aluminum carry case and has everything you need to play. Our toys games offer a range from kids games to board games for adults, puzzles for adults, kids, and outdoor games. Board games for family night, switch it up with yard games, party games, couples games. Plus board games for kids 8 to 12 games for kids ages 4 to 8. Includes 91 dominoes, 9 trains, scorepad, instructions, aluminum carrying case. Lauren from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "Use this for house games. It's perfect and pretty good quality, considering the price." Channing from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "Be aware when first opening it may sound like the box is breaking, didn't want to open." Our next product comes highly recommended, the LEGO Disney 100 Celebration. The 200-piece set includes an engine and 3 train parade floats, a station, 6 LEGO minifigures, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Moana, Peter Pan, Tinker Bell and Woody. There is a train engine for Mickey Mouse, Moana's Island float with hidden cave, Peter Pan's pirate ship, Woody's Roundup with revolving stage, and a train station. 4 buildable toys are designed to help hone key ready-for-school skills, such as communication, concentration, imagination, and self-expression so kids can learn through play. Mallory from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "My son loves all the LEGO Disney train sets." Candace from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Amazing quality, lots of detail. Such a good set." Bryce from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Had so much fun building this with my 5-year-old. Easy and very easy directions to follow." Next up, we have the Thomas Friends Motorized. Brendam Docks comes to life with this Thomas Friends motorized train and track set featuring songs, railway sounds, and real character phrases. 325 songs, sounds, and phrases from the Thomas Friends, all engines go. Connect this set to other Thomas Friends track sets, except wood, to expand the railway play. Bryson from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Works perfectly and proved to be sturdy." Jeffrey from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "I love that Thomas and Cranky, the crane, have actual conversations with each other." Francisco from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Bought this for my nephew for his 3rd birthday and it's the only toy he wanted to play with." For our next item, let's take a look at the Tinyland train set. It is also the finest option for a fun family time. Puzzles Fishing, a new addition in the train set Puzzles, allows kids to leverage their intelligence to build a fishing pond for the town. Equipped with 2 fishing rods and 6 magnetic fish toys, who wants to compete to catch the most fish? Use blocks to create your own town hall themes to play, hospital, fire station, police station, school, and heliport. Rich scenario building blocks and matching character accessories are conducive to stimulate creativity and imagination. We believe that our wooden train set can promote logical thinking, problem solving, creative thinking, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skill development of your little one. Lazaro from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "Grandson loved the set. It expanded the set he has." Don't worry. We didn't forget to talk about the TOY Life wooden train. Kids can DIY assorted traffic systems by imagination and spatial logical thinking ability. Exclusive crane and detachable cargo, the wooden train track set embraces a magnetic crane, a road roller and 2 train cars that can carry removable cargoes, which can be picked up by the crane. Compatible with versatile brands, the train tracks would set fixes various brands' car sets, such as Thomas, Brio, Melissa Doug, IKEA, Chuggington, and many more, which can be perfectly placed and run on train tracks stably to save more money. Safe Tracks Fix Tight Firm. These wood train track pieces meet U.S. safety requirements of ASTM F963 and CPSI-8, and all fix tightly and firm with one another. Savannah from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "The unit appears to be exactly what I expected." Thank you for watching our video on the top 5 train sets. Hopefully now you are a more informed consumer. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments, and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.